welcome to my channel. If you've got a lovely big bunch of parsley grown in your garden and you don't know what to do with it, well, in this video I'm going to show you step by step of how to store it for later use. Give the parsley a wash in cold water to remove any dirt. Next, dry your parsley by patting it dry with paper towels. If you have a salad spinner, you can use that to get the water out. Now chop off the stalks and finely chop the parsley. One way to store parsley is by putting it into a labelled and dated Ziploc bag and putting it into the freezer. That way, when you need some fresh parsley, you just remove the amount required. Another way of storing your parsley is by dehydrating it. Put the parsley onto the solid trays or the fine mesh that sits on top of the trays and dehydrate it until dry. Once the parsley is dry, you can put it into a Ziploc bag or into an airtight container. You can also vacuum seal it for longer term storage.